Both the LT15 Start and the standard LT15 are good for guys all the way from the hobbyist to the experienced sawyers. The LT15 Start comes standard with 2 bed sections for a regular cutting length of up to 11 feet. The standard LT15 comes with 3 bed sections and a standard cutting length of up to 17 foot 8 inches. Both sawmills can have extra beds added to go virtually unlimited length. The saw heads on both of the mills are identical in capacity, so 28 inches in diameter and cutting width between the blade guides of up to 26 inches. Now let's take a closer look at the LT15 Start bed. Comes standard with 4 adjustable side supports, 8 adjustable legs for rough leveling, and 1 clamp. Additional clamps are available as an option. Now let's take a closer look at the standard LT15 bed. It has 6 adjustable side supports, 3 of which that have the auxiliary rollers to assist in turning. Comes with 2 clamps as standard and 12 of the adjustable legs for rough leveling. The LT15 Start is powered by a recoil start gasoline engine. Head adjustments, or the thickness of the board, is controlled by this easy-to-move handle. Each full turn represents 1 inch of head movement, and each of these notches is a 1/16 of an inch. Once the head is in place, you engage the blade by simply pushing this lever control, and you throttle up the engine. Next, you're ready to adjust the water and the width of your blade guide arm to the desired cut. Then you're ready to begin sawing. The feed control on the LT15 Start is strictly a push-through model. Now let's take a look at the cutting head of the standard LT15. It does have several upgrades over the LT15 Start, such as the up and down system. It's the same crank handle, but now each turn represents 2 inches of head travel, still each notch representing 1/16 of an inch. It also has a lift assist to help in lifting the cutting head, so it's a little easier. The blade guide arm adjustment is identical, as is the water lube adjustment, the fine adjustment here. The blade engagement not only engages the blade, but throttles up the engine automatically. The feed mechanism, instead of just pushing it through, now we simply have a crank handle, so we crank through. The other nice feature of the LT15 Standard is power feed is an option. So if you'd rather not crank, you can add the optional power feed. It does have an auxiliary 5-gallon gas tank, so a larger fuel supply for when you're cutting in remote locations. The power